We have already taught many juice recipes on our channel. Green juices, orange apple, papaya, pineapple, and even kale or spinach juices. Have you tried one of them yet? These are some of the variations of juices we are already used to making and drinking, right? But, did you know that you can also make potato juice? Recently, we made a video teaching how to use potato juice to treat your hair at home, but this to use also has other amazing benefits. Potatoes can be eaten cooked, baked, fried, and even in salads. They have big amounts of water, fiber, and are great sources of carbs. Besides that, they contain vitamins, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Drinking potato juice will bring amazing benefits to your body. See them: natural anti-inflammatory. The natural juice made of the property has powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that make it a natural medicine against muscle and joint aches. It also acts as an analgesic for different kinds of pains. It improves cardiovascular health. Potato juice increases blood circulation and regulates cholesterol levels. It reduces inflammation and the heart works better, decreasing the risk of chronic diseases, such as hypertension and arteriosclerosis. Energetic. Vitamin B1, thiamine, fountain potato juice, helps the body break down carbohydrates that will be used as an energy source. Besides that, thiamine acts eyes, skin and teeth health and also on the nervous system, helps in digestion. Raw potato juice can help with indigestion, gastritis, flatulence, stomach ulcers, and acid reflux. If that's your case, just drink 2 tablespoons after every meal to reduce that heavy feeling, the excessive gastric juice, and inflammation. Cleans the skin. When applied on skin, it can help treat many conditions, such as acne, dark spots, sunburns, and eczema. It gives a refreshing feeling and reduces irritation. Reduces bloating. This juice also prevents liquid retention, reducing bloating, and facilitating weight loss. Potato juice also helps with weight loss because of the antioxidant compounds that stimulate the elimination of residues retained in the liver, colon, and kidneys. Eliminating toxins from the body helps prevent premature aging. It improves the immune system. Alkaline, potato juice controls the levels of acidity in the blood, balancing the natural pH of the body, which reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases. Having big amounts of vitamin C reduces the chances of contracting viral infections like colds and flu. Amazing, isn't it? And it is also very easy to make. See how. To make this natural juice, you will need 3 ripe potatoes, without any sprouts or eyes, and 1 cup of water, 6.8 Oz. Did you know that unripe potatoes or those with sprouts or black spots contain toxins? Peel the potatoes, cut them in pieces and blend them with half a cup of water in a blender. Once the mixture is smooth, split it into 2 parts, half a cup each, and drink one in the morning, and another at night. Tell us, did you already know this recipe? Now that you know its benefits, be sure to try it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.